Hello kids! Let's continue learning how to write the alphabet. Now we are going to write the letter B uppercase. First, begin at the top, forming a vertical line downward. Now go back to the top and curve to the right, creating a rounded top loop. In the middle, continue the curve going to the bottom. Let's go to the lowercase b. Start at the top, drawing a vertical line going down. From the end of the line, curve in a clockwise motion, creating a circular shape. Congratulations! Now you are good enough to write the uppercase and lowercase b. Keep practicing and you'll master it in no time. Check it out in the description below. You can download our free practice handwriting worksheets and watch more of our videos. Bye-bye! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share!